Hello students, good morning all of you. How are you all? So welcome to the science class. Today we will start revision of chapter number 9, teeth and digestion. In this chapter we will study about the milk teeth and the permanent teeth and the different types of teeth, structure of tooth and how can we take care of our teeth and about the digestive system. So first of all, what are baby teeth? First teeth of a baby are called baby teeth or milk teeth. These are temporary teeth and they start to fall out when a child is around 6 years old. But in place of milk teeth, another set of teeth grows. That is known as permanent teeth. They remain with us for the rest of our life. Adults have 32 permanent teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Our teeth helps us to eat food. They helps us to speak and look good. Now, there are different teeth, different types of teeth, different size and different shape, and they have different functions as well. First one is incisors. The sharp, flat teeth in the front, which is used for biting and cutting, that is known as incisors. We have 4 of them in each jaw. Next one is canines. On each side of the incisors, there is one pointed tooth that is known as canine. And canines are tearing teeth. Now, on each side, besides the canines, there are 2 flat, broad teeth that is known as premolars. And premolars are used for crushing food. Next is molars. Next to the premolars are 3 molars on each side of the jaw. They are used for grinding and chewing food. So in this way, in each jaw we have 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars. Now, what is the structure of tooth? Tooths are fixed in the gums of our jaw. Some part of tooth is hidden inside the gum and some part is visible. It is called the root, which is hidden inside the gum, and which is visible part of the tooth, that is known as crown. We have 4 different types of teeth. However, they all have a similar structure inside. If a tooth is cut lengthwise, we will see the following parts: enamel, dentine and pulp. Enamel is the hardest part of the tooth, which is the outermost part. And dentine lies below the enamel. It is also hard, but enamel is the hardest part. Pulp. Pulp lies inside the dentine, but it is soft. It is not hard, it is soft. It has blood vessels and nerves. Now, how can we take care of the teeth? Cavities. What is cavity? Now, tooth helps us to chop, cut and tear and chew food. Now, when we eat, food particles get stuck in the gaps between the teeth, and germs and bacteria grow in that gaps. They feed on the food particles that we eat and produce a substance called acid. And that acid damages the enamel, which is the hardest part of the body, and causes a cavity in our tooth. So it means cavity is a hole in the tooth. Now, how can we looking after the teeth? We can look after the teeth by following the different habits, by following good habits which keep our teeth healthy and cavity free. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth gently. Massage your gums with salt. Rinse your mouth every time you eat and avoid too much chocolates, too much sweets. Eat raw carrots, apples, radish. Visit your dentist every 6 months for regular check. So in this way we can take care of our teeth. Next is digestion. What is digestion? The breaking down of food into simpler substances inside the body is called digestion. Process of digestion is carried out by the digestive system. Now, what are the functions of the different organs of the digestive system? Different organs of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine and anus. And they all perform different functions in the digestive system. First one is mouth. Mouth, digestion of food begins in the mouth. And what helps the mouth in the digestive system? Mouth makes the food soft and moist. The saliva which is present in our mouth makes the food soft and moist. Food pipe delivers the food down and deliver it to the stomach. Now in the stomach, various acids and enzymes are produced. They help to break down the food particles further. Stomach churns the food into a thick soup like paste. Liver also produces a digestive juice called bile into the small intestine. And small intestine absorbs various nutrients from the food. And these nutrients are absorbed by the blood through the walls of the small intestine. Large intestine. The undigested food from the small intestine comes into the large intestine, and large intestine absorbs water from the food and form feces. And these feces pass out of our body through the anus. Now, last one, how can we take care of the digestive system? We can take care of the digestive system by following simple rules. Eat a balanced diet. Intake of fat-rich food, avoid junk food, avoid too much tea and coffee, have your meals at fixed times, chew your food well, do not overeat, drink plenty of water and exercise regularly. Okay, so this is the complete revision of this chapter. So on the basis of this explanation, you have to do this worksheet in your science notebook. Question number 1, name 2 types of teeth. Question 2 is name 2 parts of a tooth. Question 3 is how can we take care of our teeth. Question 4, define digestion. Question 5 is name a yellow substance formed on the unclean teeth. Okay, so this is the complete chapter. You have to do this worksheet in your science notebook. Okay, thank you students.